So this is week 87, Tuesday. Number 3 says a rectangular tank full of water is 3 feet deep, 2 feet wide, and 4 feet long. You have a bucket which is 1 foot high and which displaces 1 cubic foot of water. You use the bucket to withdraw all the water you can without tilting the bucket. How many cubic feet of water are left in the tank? So I feel like this problem's like kind of a nice problem if you think about it. So let's say you have just this normal box with water, and it's 3 feet deep, so this is three. 2 feet wide, so let's just say this is, never mind. Let's just say this is two, and this is 4 feet long. And you say you have a 1 by 1 by 1 box that is 1 foot high, that can hold 1 cubic foot of water. So, oops. So basically, you want to find how much water you can displace out of the original bucket. So basically, all you have to do is just think about it this way. So if the water is at two already, so let's say this is the water, it's already at two. This is two. Well, then the bucket can still displace water that just put over here and just pull it out. So it already it can already displace water. If you go down even more until one, that means that the bucket can just reach like over here and it can still grab the water because it's 1 foot high. And so that means that this whole area will be covered with water because if it didn't have water, that means that the water like over here would not be in the box. And therefore, because it only covers 7 feet squared of ground, because we're assuming the water doesn't touch the bucket. So that means that the water will be a little bit higher and it'll flow in. So that means that there's going to be one last fill in of the bucket, which means that basically we just have a minus 1 equals 7 square foot of water cubic foot of water that isn't taken because we're just having everything but whatever is we're having everything along this entire base, excluding this base of the bucket. So it's just this. So 7 is the answer.